This is the Kara Destiny Serena Show. This is the Kara Destiny Serena Show. Hi, I'm Kara.
Hi, I'm Destiny.
And you are watching the Kara Destiny Serena Show.
Again, but Serena's not here.
Sadly.
Again.
Oh,
Again.
but guess what today we're making?
What?
We are making orange shots.
Orange shots.
Orange shots.
Orange shots with
salt and
salt.
sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, so check it out.
Check it out.
Okay, this is how you start. You start with oranges, of course, with the sticker off. And you actually put salt and sugar on them. Salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle that tenderness on there.
Okay.
Looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then you're gonna do the same.
A little bit more sugar for me.
The same to the other one.
Delicious.
Okay. Now you will say behind up, basically.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. I want my sugar. Oh God!
Can't spit her like Hello? No, it's not gonna say a